So in my last video, I showed you how to mirror an object or mirror a bunch of lines when creating a design. In this case here, we created half of a leg of a snowflake, a quick and simple design. We mirrored it to the other side. Now I'm going to show you how to do a circular pattern all the way around this hexagon, so that way you don't have to create it 6 more times. A couple of things I like to do before we do that is I want to delete some stuff to kind of clean it up, so that way I don't have to do it again 6 more times. So I go to the Modify tab, I hit the little trim button, and it might be a keyboard shortcut, but I don't know what it is. So I go in here, I delete the lines that I know are going to cause me problems later on, because I want this to be a solid object. I delete the lines on each one of these little flourishments, and then I also delete the center line. Now, I'm going to delete this here, so that way now this leg is basically part of this giant hexagon. I do this just again so I don't have to do it 5 other more times. It's one and done, because now I'm going to create that sequential pattern, or that sequential circular pattern all the way around this polygon. So how do we do that? We go to the Create menu, we select Circular Pattern. We're going to select the objects that we want to mirror, or rather do a circular pattern for. Basically mirroring almost, right? So here I highlighted it, but it did miss a couple things. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out a couple more things that I need, like these two here. And then I'm going to select the center point. Okay, that center point is right here in the center. That's why I chose the origin as my center point, just again to make it a little easier for me. And here's where I select the quantity rather, of how many of these do I need. So if I zoom out, you'll see it's giving me 3 of these legs, but I want it on every one of these faces. So it's a six-sided polygon. So let's go ahead and move this to 6. And there you have it. Now I can hit OK, and that'll be the beginnings of a nice snowflake. Obviously, there's a lot more work that needs to be put into this, but just this gives you a general idea. You can also go ahead and go to 8 or 10. And as you can see, you can just keep duplicating this to as many as you want. Again, depending on your design and how you like it. Once you're happy with the way it looks, let's say I want 14 of these, just press OK. Give it a moment. And now you'll see, there's your snowflake. And of course, we can go ahead and select all of these, and we can create, or extrude to give you an idea as to what this will look like. We'll just do 5 millimeters. Okay. And there you have it. Quick and simple. Again, it's a very simplistic design. You can do a lot more to this and design it. But this is my quick and dirty method. There you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope this helps.